I will actually allow you to see how Phyna, the BB Naija star, is vibing to the amazing song of Kiss Daniel. Kiss Daniel dey try you. He dey try promote this song with top celebrities. Like, he's trying all his best to make sure that this Cough Ode challenge is better and surpass this Buga challenge that just passed. Even up to now, Buga is still a big hit, but it be like saying Kiss Daniel dey try him best, maybe say make this Cough Ode pass this Buga. So guys, I'm going to allow you to see how this girl, this Phyna, the award-winning BB Naija star, is vibing to this amazing song of Kiss Daniel. So guys, watch this video and do let me know whatever is your thought in the comment section. And please, if this is your first time you are coming across my video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any amazing videos like this. Here is a video.
I want to flex my love. I want to bless with this she loves. With this she loves.
Do let me know whatever is your thought in the comment section. And please, if this is your first time in my YouTube channel, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell, please.